one's on there. Can you put your YouTube account to mine? Are you able to? Are you